Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, a big push down on the dollar pairs today, or a big push up on the dollar index. Now, I definitely don't think this is over. We got FOMC meeting minutes coming out, but I don't think that's going to stop it. My next big area of resistance is the 78, or support in this case is the 78%, which is right around the 1.151 area. So for me personally, I'm not looking to go long at this area. What I was hoping to see at this area is a bounce because I do believe that the daily downtrend is back on. I think the daily time frame is back into a downtrend. I think that that most recent swing low on the daily is going to get taken out. So hopefully we'll get a bounce at the 78%, and then maybe tomorrow we'll get another sorting opportunity. But tomorrow is non-farm payroll. It's the first unemployment or the first job numbers that we've had in a while because of the US government shutdown. So it could be a very, very big, very important news event. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.